Welcome students. Let's see who fulfills our needs. We all know that air, water, food and shelter are the basic needs of every living thing. They are our basic needs as well. But human beings have many more needs besides these. For example, we need clothes to wear, teachers to guide us, and a doctor if we fall ill. Different people work to fulfill our various needs. Their work fulfills some of our needs as well as their own needs. Such work is called an occupation. Let's see the different types of occupations. There are various types of occupations. They can be divided into four main classes as follows. Nature based occupations, for example, agriculture, fishing, etc. Manufacture, for example, making automobiles, making pots, making cloth, etc. Trade, for example, selling farm produce, shopkeeping. Providing service, for example, those given by a teacher, a doctor, and a bank. Let's understand the importance of agriculture. Agriculture is an important occupation in our country. Everyone in the country gets food because farmers work in the fields. Our food includes items such as bakri, chapati, rice, dals, vegetables, and salads. These items are prepared from crops grown in the fields. Crops like jawar, bajra, wheat, rice, pulses, as well as leafy vegetables and other vegetables are grown in the fields. Other needs are also taken care of through farming. For example, we get sugar from sugarcane. Textiles made from cotton are used to make garments. Farming of fruits, flowers, and medicinal plants is also carried out on a large scale. Let's see some agro based occupations. Agricultural products can be used to undertake many other occupations. Fodder is created in fields. It is used to feed cows, buffaloes, and sheep. Thus, as we cultivate the land, we can raise these animals also. We obtain milk, meat, and leather from animals. Grain is grown in fields. It can be used to feed chickens. Fruit grown on farms can be used to prepare squashes, jams, and jellies. Sheep rearing, poultry, animal husbandry, and fruit processing are all occupations dependent on agriculture. They are called agro based occupations. Do you know some village occupations are family businesses? Sometimes people carry on the work that their father and grandfather did before them. However, in our country, we can choose the job we want to do. In ancient times, man did not know about farming. He would wander around in search of food. He used to hunt. He ate fruits and tubers. When man learned how to grow crops, he could get food in one place. There was no need to wander about for food anymore. He began to have free time. In that free time, many discoveries were made and many industries were developed. Let's see what is an industry. In industries, raw materials are obtained and then they are processed to make new finished products. A potter making pots is a type of industry. Let us see. Potter first obtains good quality clay. To improve the quality of the pots, he mixes some other substances in the clay. He mixes water in the clay and makes it soft and easy to shape. This is called kneading the clay. He turns the kneaded clay on a wheel to shape the pot. The pots are baked in a kiln to make them hard and the pot is ready. In the pottery industry, clay is the raw material, pots are the finished product. The process includes whatever is done to make the finished product from the raw material. Such a process is called industry. Just as potter makes pots out of the clay, other items can be made out of wood, bamboo, flowers, etc. If the products are made at home on a small scale, it is called a cottage industry or handicraft. Some factories are big. Many people work there with the help of machines. your school bus, bicycle, and paper for your textbooks and notebooks are all products made in factories. Do you know, in some villages, towns, and cities, certain occupations or industries are run on a large scale. These industries or occupations become famous because of the craft and the speciality of the product. For example, the Solapuri bed sheets of Solapur, Kolhapuri chappals of Kolhapur, the Paithanis of Paitan. Always remember, man has developed many occupations. However, the materials he needs for these occupations are obtained from nature. Nature takes care of the needs of all living beings. We must respect nature. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe.